Hi everybody, this is Lisa Lee with D&L Sprinkler Service, and we are excited to announce a brand new service for our customers. This is for all you do-it-yourselfers out there. Do you like to tackle your own sprinkler problems? Or maybe you've already started tackling a problem, but now you find that you're just in a little over your head? Or maybe you don't want to pay full price for a technician to come and visit your property? Or you don't want to wait too long in hot weather for someone to come out? Or maybe you live in the far East Valley or the far West Valley and you can't find anyone that services your area. Well then, Dial-A-Tech is for you. What is Dial-A-Tech? How does it work? It's easy. Book your phone appointment. You will have up to 30 minutes of talk time with our sprinkler expert. Call you at your appointment time, and you can ask as many questions as you want to get your problem solved. So why would you use Dial-A-Tech? Well, it's economical. It's cheaper than having someone come out and visit your property. You save money over that service call. Second, it's fast. You get service within 2 to 24 hours of calling and requesting your Dial-A-Tech appointment. Thirdly, you get answers to all of your questions. There is no limit to the amount of questions that you can ask within your 30-minute appointment. So give us a call at 602-329-3396 and book your Dial-A-Tech appointment today. This has been Lisa Lee with D&L Sprinkler Service. Thanks for watching.